No challenge, no change. To compete, you constantly need to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself to go to the extreme edge, pushing your abilities, pushing your body, and pushing your equipment. That's the only way to stay on top, to win a championship. It's not just about durability and speed. It's about hard work, precision, and trusting your equipment. That's why I choose lifted trucks. They've been selling and building the highest quality trucks in Arizona for over 20 years.
Lifted trucks. Work hard, play hard, drive harder. Go now to liftedtrucks.com.